Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make peanut butter cup cookies. These are super delicious and they are very easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started. First, beat together half a cup of softened butter, 3/4 a cup of sugar, and 1/3 a cup of creamy peanut butter. Now beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Now slowly mix in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now unwrap 6 ounces of frozen Reese's peanut butter cups and cut them into 1/2 inch cubes. Then roll out your dough and place a few peanut butter cups in each cookie. Bake them at 350 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes. Finally, let your delicious cookies cool for about 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notifications. Remember, we post videos twice a week on Monday and some other day of the week. Have a great day.